This overgrown patio area hasn't been used or cleaned for years. It looks a lot better after tidying it up a bit and cutting back some of the vegetation, but it's still absolutely filthy. The slabs are covered in grime that's accumulated for years, and there's weeds growing up between them. Welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. In this video we're going to show how a Karcher K4 pressure washer can be used to clean paving slabs. If you're looking for a more general review of the K4 and its capabilities and limitations, take a look at this link here. But in this video we're going to be using a K4 and Karcher stone and paving cleaner to clean these slabs. You can find full details of the stone and paving cleaner and the Karcher K4 by following the Amazon links in the description below. Now, one of the nice features of the K4 is the detergent mixing system. If you're using one of Karcher's detergents or refilling one of their bottles, you can simply push the detergent into the top of the machine and it'll dose it automatically. It's very simple and it works well. To apply the detergent, I'm going to use the Vario Power Lance and I'm going to put it on the lowest possible setting. There's no special technique for applying it. All you do is spray it on and leave it for a few minutes to break down the dirt and grime that's on the slabs. Just make sure you get good even coverage. At this point I'd remove the bottle of stone cleaner, otherwise you're wasting detergent, and then you can fit the cleaning head onto the lance. This is the T5 surface cleaner. It comes as part of the K4 home kit. The pressure setting on the cleaning head is adjustable depending on the surface that you're cleaning. In this case, because we're cleaning paving slabs, we're going to set it on the highest possible setting by turning the dial fully anti-clockwise. So let's give it a go and see how we get on. I'm sure you get the idea, so I'm going to speed things up a little bit. You then need to rinse off the standing dirty water using the Vario jet lance. The slabs themselves are clean, this is just dirty water that's sitting on top of them, it's just not drained off. After rinsing off the surface water, you can see that the surface cleaner's not managed to uproot some of the deeper rooted weeds. And you can see it's not managed to get right into the edges where the slabs meet those bricks. So to finish off those stubborn weeds and to get right into those edges, we're going to have to turn to the dirtblaster lance. This is the most powerful of the lances that comes with the Karcher K4. The dirtblaster lance made short work of those persistent weeds, and you can see the gaps between the slabs look a lot better now, and it also cleared out that edging up by the bricks. So to finish off, I'm just going to apply another coat of the stone and paving cleaner. This will just stop it getting dirty again in the future, or slow it down anyway. And then we should be about done. We'll let it dry and see what it looks like. It was a nice breezy day, so it didn't take long to dry out. And you can see it's a hell of an improvement, isn't it? You just scan out a little bit. You can see there's a cracked slab down there and one or two that are uneven, but it looks way better than it was before. Just to remind you, that's what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after. If you want to see what else you can do with a Karcher pressure washer, check out this link that'll pop up any second. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, leave a thumbs up. Any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. Just click on the bear. Right, we'll see you soon.